Certainly one of the most interesting devices in the Cisco Nexus lineup is the Nexus 2K. Let's get specific to that particular device when it comes to troubleshooting in this particular nugget. Now, one of our key verification commands, of course, is to go to the parent Nexus 5K. Notice that's where we are here. We're on that 5K, and we issue the show FEX command. This is going to give us our FEX number, our description, our state information, the specific model of 2K that we're dealing with, and the serial number. So a key verification, again, from the parent Nexus 5K. Now, there will come a time where you do need to get information about a specific FEX. So we can use show FEX and the number in order to display information about a specific fabric extender. Something else that I want you to be aware of is your ability to say show FEX and let's say 100 and then say detail. Yeah, utilize the detail keyword in order to get even more detailed status of a specific fabric extender. By the way, you may want to see the fabric extender interfaces that are pinned to a specific switch interface. So you can do show interface port channel, for example, and then you can say 100 FEX interface. So show interface, in our example, port channel 100 FEX -INTF. And that will literally show you those specific fabric extender interfaces pinned to a specific switch interface. Some other great verification commands? Yeah, there's a bunch, like show interface FEX fabric. This displays all the fabric extender fabric interfaces. There's show system internal FEX log F port in order to see the logging for a particular port. There's show inventory FEX in order to display inventory information for a fabric extender. Show diagnostic result FEX will show us results from a diagnostic test for a fabric extender. And then even show environment FEX in order to see the environmental sensor status of your particular device. So lots of great verification commands that we can run. And again, notice we're doing this from the parent device. If we're seeing things like interface drops or we need to do more sophisticated troubleshooting on the actual 2K itself, notice we are going to go ahead and use the attach command. This is a lot like 6500 series and 7000 series line cards where we attach to them. So from your Nexus 5K, we say in privileged configuration mode, attach, and then like FEX 100, for example. We will literally now be at the CLI of that particular device, and there we can use show commands related to the fabric extender in order to troubleshoot a particular problem. For a complete list of the commands that are available to you on the Nexus 2K, we can of course turn to the Cisco documentation. In fact, let me quickly review with you where you would find that. So we begin at cisco.com, we go to support, all products, we go to switches, and then the data center switches and then our Nexus 2K series fabric extenders. We'll find our particular fabric extender, and then we have our categories of documentation. Notice the more categories section. So we're interested most here in like install and upgrade guides and of course configuration guides. So a very brief but important nugget where we took a look at verification and troubleshooting on the Nexus 2K. Remember, we're going to be in the parent 5K and we're going to be able to verify that child 2K device and its state and its model and its serial number and all that great stuff. Then we can use the attach command to actually go to the CLI for that Nexus 2K and run the commands for verification that are specific to that particular device. I sure hope this nugget was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.